Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget smartphone from Oppo in India, the Oppo A53. So Oppo A53 2020 variant is priced starting at 12,990, that's 13,000 rupees for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant is priced 15,490. And some interesting aspects about the device is that it comes with a 90Hz refresh rate, but it's an HD plus resolution display. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 octa-core processor, and it's having 4GB RAM as well as 6GB RAM variant. It has a triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie camera, a large 5000 mAh capacity battery, and it also comes with 18-watt fast charging. So that's the device. So we have the Oppo A53. You can see punch hole selfie camera and a triple rear camera setup. So that's the device. We have the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. You can see that the 90Hz refresh rate, 18-watt fast charging, 16 megapixel AI selfie camera, and 5000 mAh capacity battery. And in case you are interested in SAR value, you can see that 1.11 is the head SAR and body SAR is 0.864, and 9 volt 2 ampere, that's the 18-watt charging supported. We have the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, and we have the electric black variant of the Oppo A53. So let's open the box package and we'll see the device. So let's just peel off this. So there you go, that's the Oppo A53. So opening up the box, you can see the Oppo A53 on the top. So all the specifications are once again mentioned here, and it's the 5000 mAh capacity battery, AI 16 megapixel selfie camera, 90Hz new display, and 18-watt fast charging. So let's see what all comes inside the box. So you get a case included. So there you go, that's the case, and you get the manual and warranty information and quick start guide. So let's just have a look at the guide. You can see that there is a triple slot included. So triple slot is included, and you also get a triple rear cameras. So there is a case included, which feels quite good. Then you have this 18-watt adapter. So this is a 9 volt 2 ampere adapter. So you can see here 9 volt 2 ampere 18-watt adapter, and you get a USB type C charging and data syncing cable. So that's all inside the box. So let's now let's have a look at the device. So this is priced 12,990 in India. That's the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. So now we have booted the Oppo A53. So this is the device. So you can see that this is a 90Hz refresh rate. That looks quite good. You can see that 90Hz refresh rate, and this has an HD plus resolution display, and is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 SoC with 4GB RAM as well as 6GB RAM. And you can see that power keys on the right side. The left side houses the volume keys. The bottom section has the 3.5mm audio jack, the speaker unit, and the USB type C port. And let's see where the SIM tray is. So you can see that this is the SIM tray, again dedicated SD card slot is included. And on the back panel we have a 13 megapixel primary camera. Then we have a macro sensor as well as the depth sensor, fingerprint scanner, and Oppo logo is included. It's a polycarbonate material, but feels quite sturdy actually. We'll have to test it how good the quality is. Now let's have a look at the software. So this runs Oppo's Color OS. So let's just go to About Phone and see the Color OS. So About Phone. So you can see that Color OS version 7.2, Android 10 out of the box, A53, Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 SoC, 4GB RAM, and everything mentioned here. So that's the software. Now let's see the software aspects. You can see here it's the regular Oppo's UI. We have a lot of additional features included, including customization, convenient tools. You can see navigation button, assistive ball, quick return bubble, smart sidebar, gestures and motions. So all those features generally you see on Oppo devices. You get here app cloner, game space, split screen. So everything is included here in the device. So that's the Oppo A53 in terms of software experience. Now let's have a look at the camera. So we have a triple camera setup, just like as I said before. We have a 13 megapixel primary camera and a 16 megapixel punch hole selfie camera. So the UI looks quite similar to what we've seen on any Oppo device. So here are some camera samples we have taken with the Oppo A53 after unboxing the device. So we'll be coming up with the detailed camera review, so stay tuned for that. Now this device has a 5000 mAh capacity battery with 18 watt fast charging, and which is quite a good capacity battery at this price segment. Now this device has a couple of interesting things. One is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 460. We'll have to test out and see how much performing the 460 is. Probably the first smartphone in India with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 460, and you also get a 90 Hz refresh rate, but it's an HD plus resolution display. You get 5000 mAh capacity battery and a triple rear camera. Now this device will be available starting today, and the pricing is, as I said before, 12,990 and 15,490. Those are the two variants available, and there are 3 colors as well. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the Oppo A53. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.